On a daily basis, there are ordinary people like me and you from all over the world who are cashing out real PayPal earnings using this website. Just take a look at all of these different earnings people are receiving as we speak. I want to show you this to prove to you that this actually works. You won't have to have any previous experience in order to do this, and you won't need any money or upfront costs. The only things you do need are either a phone or a laptop and a connection to Wi-Fi. And this strategy is doable from anywhere in the world as long as you have a PayPal account. In today's video, I'll be breaking down this strategy in a step-by-step process. Let's get started. Are you someone who uses email and checks their email account on a regular basis? This can be any email account, whether it's on Gmail, Yahoo, Hotmail, AOL, Outlook, and more. If you do, then you are in luck because this strategy I'm about to show you can generate you anywhere between $1,500 and $2,000 just by opening and reading emails. There aren't any complicated steps here, and you don't need any previous tech skills or experience. Just click on the email, open it, read it, and then get paid. And the more emails you read, the more money you will earn. It's just that easy. And if you watch this video till the very end, I will show you a few powerful tips that will enable you to generate 3 times more money with this strategy. This will definitely give you a huge edge over other people who are unfamiliar with this strategy, so make sure you keep watching to not miss anything important. So before I tell you the name of the website, I want to first explain the 3 basic steps to show you how this works. The first step is to sign up for a free account. Step 2 will be to read emails, in which I will show you a real example. And step 3 is to get paid in PayPal money regularly. So a few key features of this website are that you'll be receiving daily paid emails that will be sent to your email inbox. Next, there is a quick payment processing that will happen within 24 hours. And then there is a very low $15 payout limit. This means once you earn a minimum of $15, you can begin to cash out your earnings. Joining this website is completely free, and you won't have to pay any money whatsoever. And right when you activate your account, you can earn $3 as an initial sign-up bonus. And I'll show you how to do this very soon. And on top of this, you can make even more money by taking daily paid surveys, which will pay, depending on your location, 50 cents to $1 per survey you complete. Then finally, you are able to refer your friends for up to 2 levels of commission as yet another income stream. So before I begin showing you each step, the first thing you will need is a PayPal account in order to receive your money. So if you don't have a PayPal account yet, just head over to paypal.com and click sign up right here to sign up for a free account. You will want to choose a personal account when creating your account. Now the second thing you will need before we begin is an email account, and I recommend you get a Yahoo email account. So head over to Google and search Yahoo. Just click on the first link right here that says Yahoo Mail. And if you're using a phone, you can download the Yahoo app on either your iPhone or Android. Just fill in some basic personal information here to create your free Yahoo email account. Now my second recommendation is to create and use a Gmail account. So just head over to Google and search for Gmail, then click this first link right here. Just head over to this page and click this button that says Create an Account. So again, just fill in your personal information to create your free account. And if you're using your phone, you can get this app with either your iPhone or Android. So after you have all of that sorted, I now want to reveal the name of the website. But before I do, make sure you subscribe to Cashflow Worldwide to learn about more ways to make money online. The website is called paidtoreademail.com, and the URL is spelled out like this with a dash between each word. So first I want to show you how to sign up for a free account, which will grant you $3 as an initial sign-up bonus. So first, select your gender, then add your first name, email, password confirmation, then click sign up to create your account. And as you can see here, you will receive $3 as a sign-up bonus. Then below, you will want to add your zip code, check this box agreeing to the terms and conditions, then check this box saying you're not a robot. After that, just click sign me up. After completing those steps, this is what your main homepage should look like. It will say right here, thank you, account activated. Thank you, your paid to read email account is now active. A $3 sign-up bonus has been credited to your account. If you look under your quick stats right here, you will see that you received $3 into your account right here. Now if we scroll down a bit, you will see this section that says free ways to be rewarded for your online activities. Right here it shows that you can receive 50 cents to $1 per completed survey. And then I will show you this bonus trick that will allow you to earn double your money, so make sure you stick around for that. So what you're going to do is click this button here that says earn more with your opinions. That will redirect you to this page that will say cash surveys. Earn 40 cents to 75 cents for every completed survey. There are several categories here, but we will be mainly focusing on these 3 right here because you will be able to do more than just one a day. And with these 2, you can do an unlimited number a day. So obviously, the more surveys you you complete, the more money you will make. So when I click on the survey button here, that will redirect me to this page that will allow me to do this survey in just a few minutes. You will be able to earn 60 cents in literally 1 to 2 minutes. So first you'll have to check these boxes to agree to their terms, then click save. Next, you will just need to fill out some personal information on this page, and this is only a one-time thing when you first create your account. So after you start and complete these surveys, they will then pay you immediately to be added into your account. So now I want to share with you the first bonus tip so you can multiply your earnings with this website. So first, I advise that you always complete the 10 surveys on the Dynata Surveys category. After you complete this survey, you will get paid $5 because you completed 10 surveys. Once you complete these 10 surveys, that will then unlock higher paying surveys that will pay you $1 to $5 per survey. So after you've completed all of the cash surveys, then you can start completing the cash offers. You will just need to click here where it says earn more with free offers. You can complete these surveys and earn a particular amount for each survey completed. These will be more streams of income for you. So now I want to show you the final stream of income, which I think is the most exciting part. This is where you will simply read emails and click on the link of the email. All you will need to do is click to open the email, then just click on the button to take you to a website. So sometimes with these emails, you'll have to follow certain instructions. Other times you won't have to do anything. You will simply just have to stay on the website and just wait 30 seconds. During the 30 seconds, you will need to browse the website by scrolling through the website while moving your mouse around so you aren't detected as a robot. You can do this on your phone or computer, and after 30 seconds, you can receive your money into your account. So I'll just open another email that was sent by this website and click here to open the content and click on it, whether it's an image or button, which will redirect me to a random website again. And again, I won't need to do anything. I just need to browse around for 30 seconds to collect my earnings. And I want to stress this, that you want to make sure you are moving around on the website actively, otherwise you will not actually collect your earnings. And once I've finished doing this, you can see here that it's been added to my account's total earnings. And you'll be getting paid different amounts with this strategy. And once you've reached $15, you'll be able to cash out your money. Another income stream you can take advantage of on this website is their referral program. When you click here on this button that says more, you can click refer friends, which will redirect you to this page. It will say here that you can earn cash for referring your friends. As it states here, you will receive 15% of your referrals earnings for completing offers, taking surveys, and shopping online. This is passive income for you. All you need to do is share this opportunity with your friends or others online. You will then receive a 15% commission without doing any of the work yourself. So that brings us to the end of today's video. I hope you got a lot of value from this strategy and you go out and do it yourself. If you'd like to watch another video on how to make money online, click this video right here.